Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, I'm going to teach you how you can build an amazing laundry supplies couponing stockpile for your family and save a lot of money in the process. So if you want to learn, here are 10 Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, October 7th at Dollar General. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for tonight's question, I want you to take a moment and leave a comment down below. I want to know, is there anything that you would like to learn how to coupon that you find is a little bit more difficult because you never find coupons for it? One thing that I have always done with my couponing deals is I love working in items that we never get coupons for. Like, no joke, I have done couponing deals for laundry baskets, trash bags. I've done baby formula. I've done a lot of stuff. I always love an extra challenge. So if there's something that you want to learn how to coupon, leave a comment down below and I will do my best to try and find great deals for you. Now, make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could all use a little bit of extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Plus, sharing my videos is a great way to support my channel. It helps a lot, I promise you. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, I wanted to see what would happen if I included the high value coupon for the game Fireworks as well as the super high value one for the Febreze plug-in refills. And I'm super glad I did because this is a phenomenal deal. So grab one of those really big containers of Gain Fireworks for $15.95 and then grab one of the 2-count refill packs of Febreze plug-in refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 54% off savings. Next up, we have a super easy deal to stock up on a lot of laundry pods all at one time for relatively super cheap. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 2 of these smaller size bags of regular Tide Pods, the ones with a downy fabric softener. They smell so good. And then grab 1 small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 53% off savings. That is a lot of laundry pods for such a cheap out of pocket. Now, I was so excited to share this next deal with you guys because if you've been following me for a while here on my YouTube channel, you know I'm a big believer in stocking up on the disinfecting products. And hands down, one of my favorite new brands that I started trying to use about 6 or so months ago is Odoban. It's such an awesome product. I use it on my counters. I've used it on my floors after cold and flu cooties have come through my house. And I was so excited to see that Dollar General started selling the blue gallon size bottle that you can use in your laundry. So I'm like, oh, sign me up, say less. So for this deal, grab one of those gallon size bottles of the Odoban Fresh Linen. You can get whatever one you want, but I'm super excited for this one. Grab one of the Eric oil warmers, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $10 even plus tax for a 63% off savings. We're basically only paying for the Autobahn and everything else ends up being free. I absolutely love couponing deals like this. Another one of my favorite Dollar General laundry cleaning supplies is definitely the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This stuff is not talked about enough. It's an awesome product, a super cheap substitute to the name brand cleaner. So I am definitely trying to build up a little bit of it in my stockpile to help us last through the winter season. So if you want to do that, here's a great deal. Grab 1 tub of the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, 1 small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and 1 of the Lysol air sanitizers. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $14.75 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. See what I'm saying? Just because we don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean we still can't score a great deal. I was really surprised to see all the awesome laundry coupons that we got this week. We really did get a bunch of them. So if you want to stock up on the scent boosters, here's a great deal. Grab 1 of the $10.95 bottles of Downy Unstoppable scent boosters, and then grab both size bottles, both the $12.95 and the $6.95 size bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.85 plus tax for a 45% off savings. Not bad when you consider we're getting some relatively large size bottles of product here. Now, over the last couple of months, I've had a decent amount of people reach out to me and ask me for some couponing deals that include some more non-toxic cleaning supplies. And one thing that I personally have recently started switching to is using white vinegar as a substitute for not only the fabric softener, but I use it in a concoction for cleaning my showers, and it's an amazing product. So I personally want to stock up on it. I'm actually down to just 1 bottle, and I know I can't have that. So for this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Clover Valley white vinegar, a 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, 1 of the small bags of Gain flings, a small bag of Tide Pods, and 1 of the Airwick oil warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax for a 53% off savings. Again, not bad, but you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the white vinegar. One thing that I've been trying to work into my laundry cleaning supplies deal videos is definitely the Shout Stain Remover. We used to get coupons for it relatively often, and for some reason they completely stopped. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a big believer of speaking good coupons into existence. So I would like to put it out into the couponing universe that we would appreciate some Shout Stain Remover coupons. But because we don't have it, I absolutely am a big believer in making sure we include them into deals anyways, because there's nothing worse than needing it and not having it. So we're stocking up. So grab 2 bottles of the Shout Stain Removers, a 2-count pack of Febreze plug-in refills, 1 box of Snuggle dryer sheets, the one that is $3.75. I believe that's the 80-count size. And then grab 1 small bottle of Gain fabric softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13 even plus tax for a 50% off savings. Moving on, if you have young kiddos in your house, if you are expecting young kiddos in your house, or you have a friend or family member that is expecting, an awesome product to stock up on is the Dreft laundry detergent or the all free and clear laundry detergent. It makes a great gift. So if you want to do that, for this deal, grab 1 bottle of Dreft laundry detergent. We got a great $3 off coupon for it. Grab 1 of the $5 size bottles of all free and clear laundry detergent, 1 Lysol air sanitizer, and 1 single count pack of the Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.30 plus tax for a 57% off savings. This would be such a great gift for a new mom. Put together a little basket of the laundry cleaning supplies, maybe some diapers, some self-care products. I would have been over the moon excited if I would have gotten something like this when I first had my son. It would have been so cool. Here's another great deal to stock up on that white vinegar. So for this deal, grab 2 gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, 4 bottles of the 16-ounce size of hydrogen peroxide, grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and 2 of those Vaseline lotions. Now, I can't remember if I mentioned this in this deal video or not. I'd rather say it again and risk having to repeat myself. But if you want to do any of the deals that include the Vaseline lotion, you may or may not know that the $4 off coupon a couple days ago, Dollar General stopped letting it attach to the $4 size bottles of Vaseline. There is zero reason for this not to be attaching. So I am providing information down below in the video description, an email address or the phone number. I highly encourage you, if you want to do this deal, definitely, when you get home and you get that receipt showing that the $4 coupon didn't come off, contact Dollar General and get your reimbursement. I have no idea why they stopped letting it attach, but we definitely are owed that $4. So definitely contact them. After all coupons, this deal comes down to just $14.85 plus tax for a 48% off savings. Next up, we have a super simple Gain couponing deal that you could do. So grab one of the big bottles of Gain laundry detergent and one of the big bottles of Gain fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.90 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Now, if you want to substitute the big container of Gain laundry detergent for maybe one of the big bottles of Gain Flings or the big containers of Gain Fireworks and get 2 bottles of Gain Fireworks, you absolutely can do that. Just make sure you get whatever you would use most for your family. I like stocking up on the big bottles of Gain laundry detergent. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos, as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file. Meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking Gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our Gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.